How to fix. Sorry, there was a problem reaching out servers in Roblox. So I think people are finding it difficult to access Roblox. So to fix this is what you have to do. Just go to your phone settings. So you try to find settings, then you tap on it. After that, scroll and find app management. So when you see app management, then you click on it. After that, wait for it to load. When it loads, what you have to do next is to tap on see all apps. So let's tap on it. So after tapping on it, wait for it to load. And after loading, what you have to do next is to search for Roblox. So Roblox will be around this place. So it will be around this place. So this is Roblox. So you tap on it when you see it. What you have to do is to check the permissions. So you have to allow. After that, then you allow contacts. Then you allow microphone. Then you allow storage. After doing all this, then you go back. Then you tap on storage and cache. You have to clear your cache and clear your storage. After that, you go back. Then you tap on advanced. So you see, we are the latest version of Roblox. So thanks very much for watching this video, and I hope this video was very helpful. See you in my next video. Bye.